Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Gmail account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your Gmail account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new upload. Now let's get back to the video. Firstly, open your Gmail application and choose the options that fits for your Gmail login. Click on the Google. Now enter your email address or phone number and click on Next. On the next page, enter your password. Check your password by clicking on the Show Password option. After you check your password, click on the Next button. It will take you to the page where you need to agree to the Google Terms of Service. Go through the information and click on I agree. You are now logged into your account. This is how you can log into your Gmail account easily and quickly. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.